Welcome to English Easy Slow History. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Let's start the story.
Today we're talking about something everyone wears. Blue jeans. Alex, I wear jeans almost every day. Do you?
Yes, I do. Jeans are my favorite pants.
Me too. They're so comfortable.
Very comfortable.
But when did blue jeans start? Who invented them?
The first blue jeans were made in 1873.
Wow, 1873. So blue jeans are over 150 years old.
A man named Levi Strauss made them.
That's amazing. Tell me about Levi Strauss.
Levi Strauss was born in Germany in 1853. He moved to America. He went to San Francisco, California.
He was an immigrant from Germany. He went to California during the gold rush. Did he look for gold?
No, he didn't look for gold. Levi Strauss was a smart businessman. He opened a store. He sold supplies to the miners.
Smart businessman, so he sold supplies to the miners instead of mining. What kind of supplies did he sell?
He sold many things, tents, blankets, tools, but the most important thing was pants. The miners needed very strong pants.
Pants for the miners. That makes sense. Mining was very hard work. But what made his pants special? Why do we call them blue jeans?
Good question. The pants were made from a fabric called denim. Denim is very strong and thick, and the denim was blue, so people called them blue jeans.
Ah, denim is the fabric, and the denim was blue. So that's where a blue jeans comes from. Interesting, but lots of people made pants. What made Levi's pants different?
What made them different was metal rivets, small metal pieces.
Metal rivets. What are rivets?
Rivets are small metal pieces. They hold the fabric together at the pockets and seams. The rivets made the pants much stronger. That was the key.
Oh, small metal pieces that hold the fabric together. That's a great idea. The rivets made the pants much stronger. But who thought of this idea? Was it Levi Strauss?
No, it wasn't Levi's idea. It was a man named Jacob Davis.
Jacob Davis.
Jacob Davis was a tailor. A tailor is a person who makes clothes. Jacob had the idea to use rivets in pants.
So Jacob was a tailor. He had the idea for the rivets. But why did he need Levi Strauss?
Jacob needed money to get a patent. A patent is a legal paper. It says you invented something. Jacob didn't have enough money, so he wrote a letter to Levi Strauss.
I understand. Jacob needed money for the patent, and Levi had money, so they became partners.
Exactly. Jacob had the idea. Levi had the money. They worked together. They became business partners.
Yes, partners, and they got the patent in 1873.
That's right. On May 20th, 1873, they got the patent. That was the official beginning of blue jeans.
That was the birth of blue jeans.
At first, mostly miners wore the jeans. The pants were perfect for hard work in the mines.
So miners wore the jeans first, but who else wore them? Only miners?
But soon, other working people wore them too.
Ah, many working people, farmers, railroad workers, cowboys, people who did hard physical work.
Yes, farmers wore them in the fields. Railroad workers wore them. Cowboys wore them in the West. Blue jeans were work clothes for hard jobs.
The jeans were strong and comfortable. So, for many years, blue jeans were only work clothes. Working people wore them. When did that change? When did jeans become fashion?
The big change happened in the 1950s.
The 1950s.
Movie stars started wearing jeans. James Dean wore jeans in movies. Marlon Brando wore jeans. They looked very cool.
James Dean and Marlon Brando, they were movie stars. They wore jeans in movies and looked very cool. Young people wanted to copy them.
Yes, young people love these movie stars. Teenagers wanted to wear jeans too. In the 1950s, jeans became a symbol of youth and rebellion.
Jeans became a symbol, not just work clothes anymore. They meant youth and rebellion. Parents didn't always like it.
Then in the 1960s and 1970s, jeans became even more popular.
Yes, the 1960s and 70s.
The hippie movement happened. Rock and roll music was everywhere.
The hippie movement, rock and roll music, young people wore jeans everywhere.
Young people wore jeans to show they were free and independent.
To concerts, to protests, jeans meant freedom. And then what happened? Did jeans stay the same?
Then in the 1980s, something new happened. Designer jeans became popular.
Designer jeans. In the 1980s, Calvin Klein, Gloria Vanderbilt.
Yes, companies like Calvin Klein made expensive jeans. Some jeans cost $50, $100, even more.
Some jeans cost $100 or more. Jeans became luxury fashion. That's incredible. From work pants for minors to expensive designer fashion. And now everyone wears jeans.
And today, blue jeans are the most popular pants in the world.
Rich people, poor people, young, old.
People wear jeans to work, to school, to parties, to restaurants. Everyone wears jeans.
All around the world. Blue jeans are everywhere in every country.
Everywhere. In America, Europe, Asia, South America, blue jeans are truly global. They crossed all borders.
That's true. What an amazing story. Levi Strauss and Jacob Davis probably never imagined this. Their work pants became the most popular clothing in the
I
world.
agree completely. From work pants for California miners to the most popular clothing on earth, blue jeans changed fashion forever.
It really is an incredible story. Thank you for listening to English Easy Slow History. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Goodbye.